Designify, welcome back to my channel. I'm SUSH and I'm taking you along with me today to see IKEA's latest 2025 collection. It's New Year and you know what? There's so much to see at IKEA, their latest furniture, their organization solutions and their home decor. I'm so excited to take you along with me. So let's get to IKEA. First up, storage. IKEA is the best place to find stylish and affordable storage solutions. I love these shaker cabinets. They're so classic and minimal. And their PAX wardrobe system, totally customizable. If you prefer a modern look, check out these mirrored closet doors. They make a room feel so much bigger. Guess what? The iconic Billy bookcase got a color upgrade. Besides the classic white, they now have it in this cool gray and a really pretty deep blue. The small apartment setup is so inspiring. It just shows you that you don't need a ton of space to have a great style. The round mirror is perfect for bouncing light around. And can we talk about that soaking tub? Total relaxation vibes. And they use those shaker doors again for storage. So clever. I love how they did the wall mounted lamps to save space, and that little bit of molding adds a nice touch. See, it's all about the details. The texture, the artwork, it all comes together to create a stylish and functional small space. That navy blue is such a cool color. And I love the gallery wall. Plus, using those glass doors for storage is genius. It keeps the room feeling bright. Oh, and this woven cotton bedspread. So cozy. This is a great example of IKEA bedroom ideas for small spaces. If you are looking to create a workspace that helps you focus, this is it. And the Scattis pegboard is a lifesaver for keeping organized. Mid-zone acoustic screens are amazing for blocking out distractions. IKEA Kitchen always gives me so many ideas. This white one is just stunning, so clean and timeless. This section kitchen with matte black Nikkebu front is a dream. So chic. I love how they added the warm wood island too. Check out the storage solutions. This pull-out drawer for trash and recycling is so smart. And this spice rack, love it. Fluted glass is having a moment and IKEA is on it. This Besta TV unit is so elegant and it hides all your electronics. And this Marchand wall cabinet is perfect for displaying pretty things. The Besta system is great because you can really customize it to fit your style. Throws are my go-to for adding personality to a room. This orange one is fun and it would be perfect for spring. Or if you prefer a more classic look, this wool throw is super cozy. They have tons of cushion covers in different colors and styles. Oh, and did you know they have linen duvet covers too now? They're amazing. If you need some room darkening curtains, these are perfect. I love the dark green plate. And check out these jute rugs. They are super durable and easy to clean, which is perfect for high traffic areas. Plus, they add a nice natural touch. Lighting can make or break a room, and IKEA has such a great selection. I'm obsessed with these unique designs. They add so much personality, and they have lamps in every style you can imagine. This new mudwork lamp is my favorite. That mouth-blown glass is just gorgeous. I love how IKEA is incorporating more natural materials. These jute, seagrass and rattan pieces are so pretty. These baskets are perfect for storage, and they even have bamboo laundry baskets now. IKEA's natural materials bring a touch of the outdoors in. They have chopping boards in every color and size. And these handmade placemats are so cute. This rattan one is super durable and easy to clean. And this Maven vase, it looks like something you'd like to buy in a fancy boutique. Oh, and these mugs are so cool. I love the handle-less design. And you can't go wrong with their classic ribbed glassware. If you're thinking of creating a gallery wall, they have these collage templates that make it super easy. And they have a great selection of mirrors too. From modern to classic, there's something for everyone. I love these natural, eco-friendly pots. They're perfect for adding some greenery to your home. Pair them with some lush tropical plants and you have got an instant indoor oasis. And of course, no trip to IKEA is complete without checking out the As Is section. You can find some amazing deals on discontinued items or display pieces. Don't miss the IKEA As Is section for great deals. Well, that's it for our IKEA adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the new stuff. Let me know in the comments what your favorite items were, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more home decor and design content. See you in my next video.